if you want to read a book with magic in it, and an artistic little girl, and a brave, an artistic little girl, and the occasional 80s nostalgia, and also her friend can turn into a seal, then you should read Bird Takes Flight. It also has some loose representation of Celtic folklore, if you're interested in that. So, if you want, you can you can try Bird Takes Flight. Maybe your kids might be bored of stuff like Narnia. They still might like Bird Takes Flight. It's a bit more accessible for a modern kid. That's Bird Takes Flight by Emma Dingman. Bird Takes Flight. Go on Amazon Kindle and look for the ebook Bird Takes Flight. Bird Takes Flight by Emma Dingman.